Hello and welcome to LearningEngineer.com, where we engineer learning for efficiency. My name is Michael Langdon, and today we're going to look at a monitor management program called Windowgrid. Now, originally I was looking at a program called Display Fusion, and I did the 30-day free trial. They have a free trial, and it's a great program. Okay, it allows you to set up virtual monitors within your monitor, and they each have their own taskbar. If you maximize within the virtual monitor, it will maximize only to that size virtual monitor. It allows you to set up profiles, and it allows you to set up all kinds of split screen scenarios. So you can really divide it up. The only problem I had with it was its cost, which is the version I would need, which is the Display Fusion Pro Personal, was $50, but it is on sale now. And I just discovered this yesterday. I was going to go to it and show you the price, and I wasn't willing to pay $50, but I might come back here and pay $25. And this isn't a paid promotion. I don't get anything from them. So if you're interested in Display Fusion, they have it. I'm going to show you the program that I currently use called Windowgrid. And they kind of have a GIF here that shows you how it works, although this isn't quite accurate. So I'm just going to come down here and download it. It's a zip file. So basically it can be run as a portable, or it can be run as an installed application. Now, it's not from a secure site, so I have to tell it to keep it. So now I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to run Windowgrid here. And yes, I want to run setup. And so we're going to go with portable. We're going to tell it to update on start, do a silent update, no splash screen. And then I'm just going to change this. Well, what I'll do is I'll go to my desktop where I have a folder called Portable Apps. And what we'll do is we'll get this path, Control C, and we'll come back down here to Windowgrid, and we'll put this in here. Let's just get rid of that. Paste that path in. Do another slash and put Windowgrid. Okay. So that'll take care of that. And then we'll just click OK. And we'll see in this folder that the folder Windowgrid has been created. I'm going to double click on it, and there it is. And now I'm going to run it. I'm going to close this because now I'm going to show you how it works. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take some of these out, and then we're going to play with them. And then I'll move this one down. So to use Windowgrid, you simply start by selecting the title bar here, and then you hold down your space bar, and it brings up this grid, and then you just drag it over. Now I'm going to let go of the space bar, and then I can drag it out. Okay. We can do the same with this one. You kind of got to move it before it'll work. So, and then, whoop, I forgot to let go of the space bar, drag it out. Now, if I hold the control bar key down and I do the same thing, it just moves the whole thing in blocks. There's no dragging it out. If for some reason, and I'll try to do this. You see, it's not doing it. Sometimes, so you can see how this block is selected. Sometimes this block over here is selected. And if that happens, you just want to keep moving it until this block is selected. I'm trying to duplicate it, but I don't know if it's going to work. It's happened before, so just remember that. If you're in the second block, like this block up here that was there, just keep moving it over, because if you don't, it will shift over as you do it. And I wish I really could duplicate that. So let's try to duplicate that and see if we can get it. Let's just open this. Open this well, it's working properly, so I'm not going to be able to duplicate that, but that's fine. No, we're not going to restore. So let's do that. Now let's go to settings. So we're going to go down here to our taskbar, and we're going to right click, and then we're going to go to settings, and we can actually change our grid. So if we want more blocks, so we want, I guess, more resolution, you would call it, then we would up this number. So the lower the number, the bigger the blocks, the larger the number, the smaller the blocks. So if we change this to 15 and 15, and then save it, I don't know if we have to click load, but let's do it. We'll say load. Okay, and then we'll close that, and then we'll do it again. So move, shift, and you can see we have a lot more blocks, and we have a lot more resolution. And of course, you can lower it and have it be one big block. Oh, here it did it. So you can see here it moved it over even though I had it. So, okay, here it is. So you can see on this second block is selected. So if you do that, just make sure it shifts over before you let go and then do it. If you don't do that, it won't, it'll start setting it at this column or block instead of the first one, if that makes sense. Okay. And that's Windowgrid. I use Windowgrid a lot. I really like it. Like I said, I do like Display Fusion, but sometimes I do have to reset my virtual monitors. And this does a pretty good job of letting me do that quickly and easily. So that's what I like about this program over Display, is I can quickly change things when I need to. All right. I'm Learning Engineer, and have a great day.